Start by locating your chicken's sternum. You can feel it running the length of your chicken. It's a bone dividing each half of the breasts. Using a sharp boning knife, cut down the sternum. You'll feel when you reach the ribs underneath. Remember that your chicken is curved. You're trying to separate as much meat as you can without cutting into the bone underneath. Smooth cuts help. Check it out. You've got a chicken breast, and you've got one more on the way. Now to get the wings and legs separated. It's a game of fold the appendage and find the exposed bone. It's kinda icky, and if this is your first time, you've full permission to freak out a little, but persist. Cut between the bone and the carcass. It'll separate for you. The same goes for the legs. Cut along the body to free the leg and thigh, then pull the leg backward. You can see the white bone, now separated. To get the thigh from the leg, it's the same thing. Pull it the opposite way it wants to go and cut the bone free. Do that one more time and you've got pieces for cooking and a carcass ready to make stock.